So, ayan, magpapagupit ako ng ano. Hindi ko pa alam kung anong gupit ang pwede. Don't notice anything from mommy?
Where'd you go on your haircut?
Nice, mommy, pretty. Ay, walang pakialam din.
Oh!
What's up, beautiful peeps? Itsura ng buho ko, nakikita niyo yan, diba? So, magpapagupit tayo, B. Hindi pa ako nagsuklay, pero naligo ako, pero hindi na ako nagsuklay. Sila na lang pagsusuklay ko sa ano, sa barber shop. So, ayun, magpapagupit ako ng ano. Hindi ko pa alam kung anong gupit ang pwede sa akin kasi medyo wavy ako, guys. So, medyo kulot ako. Sobrang kapal ng buho ko, B. Gusto ko ng parang shaggy chuchu. So, let's go.
Standing underneath the lights, look into each other's eyes. Tired snowflakes are coming down, collapse into water when they hit the ground.
2 hours later.
Ayan. Pak. O, diba? Ito na siya. Pinalayered ko lang siya actually. O, at least meron na siyang volume. Charot. Yung mukhang tawa ko, diba? So, yun guys. Maikli na ang aking hair. So, ayan. Snacks muna ako. Tapos, uwi tayo. I-surprise natin ang mga junakis ko. Check natin kung anong reaction ng mga bata. Kung mapapansin man lang nila. Kasi medyo konti lang naman yung difference, diba? Hindi naman siya masyadong naiklian. So, gusto ko sana yung talagang, ano tawag doon? Bobcat, something. Pero, kasi diba summer, mainit ba eh. Sabi ko, hindi. Ito muna. Huwag mo natin biglayin. Huwag ko muna biglayin ang aking hair. Baka magtampo na naman. So, anyway, kape muna ako, Beo. Ayan ang aking favorite coffee. Ganyan siya, guys. Yan. Brusco Coffee Best Iloilo. Ewan ko, sarap na sarap ako dito din. Tsaka Dunkin. So, let's go. Hi guys, so I'm home. Yan, hindi alam ng mga bata, nagpagupit kasi ako eh. So, it's not something, hindi siya masyadong special na gupit. Pero, tingnan natin lang kung makikita na lang yung difference. So, let's go. Don't notice anything from mommy?
Where'd you go on your haircut?
Ano ba yan? Delayed naman to. Ha? You saw?
Oh, I saw you cut your hair yesterday.
Walang ano guys, natin yung bata. Ayan, look at mommy. Shh, look at mommy. Ay, hindi yung mapansin. Shh, look at mommy. Shh, mommy on your hair. Look at mommy new hair.
You want to cut your hair also?
Ayan, mommy cut my hair. Oh. Nice, mommy pretty. Ay, wala pakialam din. Shh, mommy, oh, mommy cut my hair. You like mommy hair? You like it? Mommy pretty? Walang reaksyon. Walang kwentang reaksyon. Ano ba yan, ha? Taba-taba mo eh.
Meanwhile.
Oh! New wife. New wife. Oh, it's nice.
Oh, so you.
Same husband.
No
Same husband.
hair. New husband.
It's not funny.
Nothing, I just got it.
You have a new aura now.
Like it. Guys, walang pakialam ng mga bata.
What
Ayan,
is
oh.
this?
Ayan, look at mommy. Mommy pretty. Look at mommy. Mommy, new hair. Mommy cut my hair.
Wait, I want
Wala,
to see
hindi
what it
maintindihan.
feels like.
No, you will go out now.
What does your
You will go out now.
face?
Nice?
Go out now.
Wala, walang mga pakibi ang aking mga anak sa akin.